Hi! Welcome to this new video where I'm going to talk about 3D figures, but before that, wait a minute, I need to get something. So, don't try this at home. I never eat something like this before. This is not my favorite ice cream, naturally. And I opened the packaging first to share you something about cone, and it's a mess. Take a look. Whoa. So I think I have to hold this for a while until I finish the ice cream. Yeah, you wait until I finish this ice cream. So the reason why I eat the ice cream, because I want to talk to you about cone and sphere. So this is sphere, and this was a cone. Okay, let me talk about cone first because I've opened it. So as you can see, this was an packaging of an ice cream, and as you can see here, there's a place where they put all the glue here to stick the packaging. If you open this up, then you get the ta-da. So actually, when you open a cone up, you get a part of a circle. In terms of mathematics, you call this a sector. So, and again, the bottom part of it is a circle. This was a cone. You open it up, it becomes like this. Before I explain further, I want to come clean about this material, because in this material I'm not going to be able to explain in details. I'm going to link up some information on the description so you can check if you want to learn more. For now, your focus is just to stick with the formula. So the volume of cone is pretty simple. It's also the same as previous material, which was surface area times the height of the three-dimensional figure. But however, because this is cone, so the base and the top is not the same, then you have to multiply it by 1/3. So the next thing is surface area of the cone. Surface area of the cone is basically P R S. The steep line is S, and R is the radius of the base circle, and P is 3.14 or 22/7. And then you have to add this area with the area of the circle, PR squared. So this is the PRS, this is the S. R depends on the circle on the base, and PR squared is this area. Okay, and then next to the volume of a sphere. So this is a sphere, it's ball. I'm not going to open this up because it's too valuable for me, but let's take a look at the screen over here. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 PR to the power of 3, and the surface area is 4 PR squared. If you want to take a deeper look at this, there's not much to explain, but if you look more about calculus, about integral, and about differential, then you start to understand quite a bit. And if you try to think the perimeter of a circle was 2πr. So what this makes is you create a pattern between every step of the way. And the pattern of this formula is basically a calculus, a part of integral or differential. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is an example how do you use this formula. So we have here a cone and a sphere, and both of the radius is 21 centimeter. The height of the cone, I make this the same as the radius, so the height of a cone is 21 centimeter. As you can see, the sphere all is covered by radius, so the height of a sphere is 2 times radius. So this is it. So now let's move on to calculation. The volume of a cone is 1/3 times base area times height. 1/3 base area is 22/7 times 21 centimeter times 21 centimeter, and the height is 21 centimeter. Sorry, this is supposed to be 1/3. So 3, okay, and then you calculate 21 times 21 times 22. 21 times 21 is 441 centimeter squared, and then times 22. Yeah, it's cubed because there are 3 centimeters. So 22 times 441 equal 882 plus 2, 0, 9, 7, okay, 9702 centimeter to the power of 3. Okay, so let me get rid of this. We might going to be able to use it again. So the next thing is surface area. Surface area is PRS plus PR squared. PRS means 22/7 times 21 centimeter, and the S, using Pythagorean theorem, then you will get 21 and the root of 2 centimeter. I am not going to use decimals. I don't like decimals very much, so I'm going to use either fractions or root. So the next thing, 22/7 times 21 times 21. So from this you get 3 times 21, 63, 63, 126, 126, 1386, the root of 2 centimeter squared plus 3, 66, 63, 1386 centimeter squared. So that's it. As you can see, there's a root over there. You don't have, if it's an essay, you don't have to do anything with it, at least in my test. So let's move on. So this is how you actually use the formula of a cone. Okay, so next we move on to how do you calculate the volume of a sphere. Remember, the formula that I have provided to all of you is 4/3 times P times R cubed. So 4/3 times 22/7 times 21 centimeter, 21 centimeter times 21 centimeter. So you get over here 22 times 21 times 21 is 9702 centimeter cubed times 4. So using this calculation, you are going to get 38,808 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of a sphere. Okay, so move on to the next one about how we calculate the surface area of a sphere. So surface area is 4 times P times R squared. So 4 times 22 over 7 times 21 centimeter times 21 centimeter. So you get 88 times 63 centimeter squared. So 88, 63, 88, 8 times 6, 48, 8 times 3, 24, so 504, and then 504 plus 4, 4, 5, 5. So 5,544 centimeter squared. So this is the surface area of a sphere. So this is the end of this video and also the end of a 3D figure series. As you can see along the videos, you can use some of the logic to calculate the formula or surface area. However, some of them you need to stick, for now, you need to stick with the formula. So use your logic as much as possible to simplify the formula that you need to use. But for some of them, you need to either memorize it or you need to get used to the formula. So when you get the mathematical problem, you can use that formula that you have get used to or that you have memorized. So thank you for watching this series. I hope you enjoy it. Until the next video, stay awesome. Bye bye.